In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on email notifications in Hubspot. Enabling these notifications is essential for staying updated on the latest features and changes that might impact your workflow. Plus, it helps you make the most of the tools available at your fingertips. So, let's dive right in. First, you want to head over to the Hubspot user guide. For those of you who might be unfamiliar with where to find this important resource, you simply need to navigate through the Hubspot platform until you spot the link labeled User Guide. This guide is your central hub for all the information and settings you need to configure your HubSpot experience. Once landing on the HubSpot User Guide page, your next step is to click on the Settings menu. It's typically located in the upper right corner of the screen. The Settings menu is where all the magic starts, giving you access to a plethora of customization options. It's where you have the power to tailor HubSpot exactly to fit your needs. From the Settings menu, you'll want to direct your attention to the section labeled Account Defaults. Clicking on this gives you the foundation to personalize your HubSpot account settings. Account Defaults serves as a crucial control panel for managing what you do and don't want to receive updates about, among other features. Within the Account Defaults, you'll find another option, Feature Releases. Now, this is an incredibly beneficial section because HubSpot is constantly improving and adding new features. By clicking on Feature Releases, you're setting the stage to never miss a beat when it comes to these updates. Now, the penultimate move here is straightforward. Locate the Turn on Email Notifications option. The reason this small action holds significant weight is that it connects you directly with HubSpot's dynamic updates. It ensures that any new feature released or any change made lands right into your inbox. This keeps you proactive rather than reactive, empowering you to incorporate new tools and features seamlessly into your ongoing projects. As you enable these notifications, you should start receiving emails each time HubSpot has a new feature release. This means you can stay ahead of the curve, making sure you're always maximizing the utility of what HubSpot has to offer. And there you have it. You've successfully turned on email notifications in HubSpot. This simple but effective tweak ensures you're always in the loop. It's a small investment of your time with a great payoff. With these notifications, you can immediately take advantage of new tools and improvements as they happen. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check back for more tips on how to optimize your HubSpot experience.